This is the one I want.
Okay, I'm about to start carving.
I start out by drawing an outline of the wood spirit that's hidden in the cottonwood bark. Then I just start carving away everything that don't look like a wood spirit. This is not my normal carving speed. This actually is showing 10 times faster. Do me a favor and watch this video all the way to the end. There's something very special there. Now it's time to engrave my mark and the name of the first great kid with my wood burner. This one goes to a great kid named Abram. With a wood spirit outline, I am again carving away everything that don't look like a wood spirit. Once again, you're watching me carve at 10 times normal speed. The wood spirits are always in there. You just have to make them come out. Lincoln has requested a wood spirit with big eyes, teeth, and a smile. I'm hoping for 2 out of 3. Well, just look at that. There's the big eyes, smile, and teeth. Now I'll just burn in my mark and get ready for a name. And this one goes to a great kid named Lincoln. Here you go. I told you there was something special at the end. Two great kids with two great wood spirits.